Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to talk about lipsticks that are not worth your time, energy, money, all of that. And I have been the biggest propagator that drugstore lipsticks are great, all of that. But just because something is drugstore doesn't mean that we will compromise with the quality. I don't think so. What do you think about it? I have been that person. इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा ना, भी ज्यादा किधर मिलेगा. But now इतने में बहुत ज्यादा मिल सकता है. So if you haven't seen my best lipsticks under 350 rupees, wherein I have showed lipsticks under 100 rupees, 250, 350, then you should check out that video because you will get some gem products in that particular video. But in this video, we are going to talk about those 5 lipstick formulas that I will not recommend you guys, and I do have some logical points. The very first one is a Fran Wilson lipstick. This is what it looks like. It has a doe foot applicator. The finish of this one is matte. Let me just swatch it. It's like a warm tone maroonish red color. It looks very pretty. I have done a dedicated video reviewing this product. The shade that I have with me is Scarlet Sass. The problem with this particular product is first the price and the quantity. The difference, okay. The price of this product is for 790 rupees if I'm not wrong, and the product that you are getting is 2.5 ml. I get better quantity in Nykaa and Maybelline lipsticks. Why would I spend this much money on a liquid lipstick? And you have to build it up if you have hyperpigmentation around your lips, which means that you will run out of this product soon in comparison with the other liquid lipsticks which have better quantity. Now, I am not saying that I am against buildable formulas and all of that. I do have some buildable formulas in my favorite lipsticks collections. So buildable formula is not an issue, but the way it fades away so quickly, it does feel drying, and the quantity is not doing justice with the price. That's the only thing that I keep on calculating in my head, that for 790 rupees, I'm just getting 2.5 ml of product. I don't get it. The length of the wand is quite short. So if the length of the wand is so short, they might have done some cost cutting. If they have done cost cutting, why there is just 2.5 ml of product? I don't get it. I also do not like the fact that it fades unevenly. It's not worth the money. Second lipstick is something that I tried 4 times with different lip balms. First of all, the Twaak lip balm that I'm trying is so bad. I'm going to make a dedicated 1 month review video of Twaak skincare products. But anyway, I just want to give heads up about that I stopped using that lip balm after 10 days because it was peeling off my skin. Then I treated my lips with Nivea lip balm because that's the lip balm that I swear by. It's here, right here. And this much I've used to treat my lips. Now, as soon as I recovered from that trauma of using Twaak lip balm, tinted lip balm, I use this lipstick. This is from Insight Cosmetics. Now, I know that Insight Cosmetics is very affordable, but same goes with L18, and it can be vice versa for you guys. Maybe L18 lipsticks will peel off your lips skin and this one will not. But in my case, this lipstick, this is in the shade Warm Nude, and it's their Bullet lipstick. It's a very comfortable lipstick formula. The shade is also very pretty. It goes really well with orange smoky eyes, and that's why I really liked it. I've reviewed it. I've done 8 hours of wear test. It doesn't stay for 8 hours for sure, but I didn't expect it to last throughout the day because I knew that the formula is more on the comfortable side, and it does have that sheen to it. No glitter, but sheen to it. It looks very hydrating, but I used it 4 times to make a strong opinion about it, and I do have a strong opinion about it that it peels the skin off my lips. It does, and till date I haven't recovered from that. I'm still using my Nivea lip balm. I'm still using it constantly. I'm applying lip mask. I'm doing every bit to make my lips what they were before applying this lipstick, but it's so difficult. I do have semi-dry lips, so if your lips are relatively drier in comparison with other people, then I would say that you can go for some other formula from the similar brand, but don't go for this one because it literally peels off my skin and makes my lips very dry. Lipstick, this is from Rimmel, and this is in the shade 107. Now, this one was my favorite shade from their Bullet lipstick range. This is what it looks like. So pretty, very beautiful color. But what's the issue? Is it manufacturing issue? No, there is no manufacturing issue. A very affordable lipstick. It's just for 325 rupees. So comfortable. It doesn't feel drying, but it has a very strong fragrance which is not pleasant at all. It is not. It feels like a medicine kind of a fragrance. And I know for a fact that some people will not like that thing about this lipstick, because it does stay for about 4 to 5 hours with you. Some lipsticks do have fragrance, but they fade away eventually. This lipstick is very stubborn in nature. The fragrance in here is so strong, and the fragrance is not something that I'm up for. I don't think I have that many lipsticks that are fragrance free, so I'm okay with the fragrance part. Not okay when the fragrance starts lingering around me and it irritates and bothers me. Not fond of the fragrance of this lipstick at all. The colors are pretty, some of the shades are great. If a fragrance is not something that bothers you, you can go for 107 shade. Very beautiful color for Indian skin tone. I have another bullet lipstick. This is from My Glam. This is what it looks like. This particular collection has famous TV shows or Netflix series. So this is in the shade Wild Wild Country. It was under 500 rupees, which is why I bought it. This is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful nude, and look at this. The bullet is about to break. I have to be Look, I was just watching it. I didn't even take out the whole bullet out, and look at this. No, 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 no. In 500 rupees, I don't expect this. The shade is very pretty. I have no complaints about the shade. It suits my skin tone. It feels very hydrating. It doesn't last throughout the day, but that's not an issue with me, because obviously with hydrating lipsticks you can't expect an 8 hours of lasting power. But I have issue with the manufacturing of the lipstick. What is this? What is you? Get out. The cracks that you're seeing here, these are not done by me. It started melting, and every single time I take out this lipstick during summer months, it starts melting. So I can't even carry it. That's the biggest issue. Even if you just take out this much bullet, not even full, this much bullet, it starts moving again. See, no, just stay inside. So if you have already bought it, I would say use a lip brush and don't take out the whole bullet outside. If you haven't bought it, congratulations, you're lucky. You just saved 495 rupees. Thank God I just have 5 lipsticks. The next one is from Ellen Blue. On my Hindi channel, a lot of you guys say that why are you reviewing brands that nobody is reviewing? But that's what my channel is all about. I do want to review products that nobody is talking about. For example, Palladio, I don't think many creators talked about it. Fran Wilson lipsticks, I have reviewed them. Then Ellen Blue lipsticks. These were very affordable, and I want to try out products that are affordable, and I also want to bring a balance on my channel wherein I can review both kind of or all kinds of budgets, so that you guys get to see most of it. It was for 350 if I'm not wrong. The shade is Ready to Party. Let me just swatch it for you all. Where should I swatch it? Here I will swatch it. It's a really nice red color, which does have a little bit of berry and pink undertones to it. The color is not an issue at all. I love the color. Okay, I like the packaging. It's very functional, it's user friendly, the pigmentation is nice, it dries within 30 seconds. It gives you that matte finish which will not transfer at all. So it is also transfer proof. I am more into bullet lipsticks that are more on the soft matte finish side. I only apply or buy a liquid lipstick because I expect it to last throughout the day, or not even throughout the day, but at least for a meal it can last, right? Otherwise, why would I go through the process of scrubbing my lips, prepping my lips, and then applying a liquid lipstick, letting it dry, and then it is transferring even after a light snack? A liquid lipstick that is giving me matte finish, that is not transferring once I let it dry, and then it starts transferring that too in an uneven way. I do get it that it can fade just a little bit from the center of your lips because you are having a full meal. But if I'm just eating light snack, then why would it transfer so heavily and unevenly, and it feels drying? So I am not a fan of this formula. I would say go for Wet n Wild one. You can go for Maybelline liquid lipsticks, the newly launched ones, not newly launched ones, the ones that are for 395 rupees. Then you can go for Lakme Forever liquid lipsticks. These are really good formulas under budget, but these lipsticks are really not worth your time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are differing with my opinion, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Why did I do a bye like this? I was thinking to click a picture for thumbnail.